The result of mechanical up-degree with regards to thinking, planning, and conceptualizing has been marvelous, particularly for digital currencies. The individuals who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the people who neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar turns out as expected for some prominent digital currencies. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually solid and accessible at lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, has taken care of the predictable ascent popular of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, expanding the liquidity potential. Before we dive into the Sushiswap cost forecast, let us examine a portion of the interesting highlights of Sushiswap. Conceptualized by culinary specialist Nomi, the Sushiswap project is an AMM. The whole even-handed behind the making of this Sushiswap cryptographic money was to work with clients to make liquidity pools and collect awards consequently as Sushi computerized resources. Sushi is the local badge of the Sushiswap decentralized trade. Taking a gander at the steady upsurge in the cost of Sushiswap, it merits seeing how the value graph of Sushiswap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered utilitarian benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, yet fabricates trust. Sushiswap's portion-empowered comfort as well as sustains confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, sending different decentralized application capabilities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized examination and Sushi coin cost forecast, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap will be $4.41, with idealism posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into Sushiswap now. In view of the Sushiswap conjecture, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to Sushiswap, taking it to $11.37 for the time being. With a 5-year productive speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 venture choice might depend on $447.36 in 2027, as indicated by the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost gauge. Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over, and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost expectation, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in positive circumstances. Thus, in the long haul, Sushiswap may have an enormous fan base which will assist it with arriving at new highs. According to the ongoing value pattern and specialized pointers like relative strength file, Sushi cost could record a huge cost flood above $30 in the forthcoming years. Sushiswap value forecast 2022. Nonetheless, since the SUSHI-USD cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, somewhat keeping a low exchanging action may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are basically added to the course, weakening the stock, seeing the 100% return as significant. There are cynical opinions winning that diminish additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.50 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.80 in 1 year. Sushiswap value forecast 2023. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the powerful help region presented by prosperous Chinese business visionaries. Being discussed consistently, the costs of Sushiswap have demonstrated dynamism and change all the while. Yet again, subsequently taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value forecasts, and help from the proprietorship, the resource cost might flood because of careful arranging technique, being vertically at $12 by 2023 N. Sushiswap value forecast 2024. A few specialists likewise contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark concerning a forceful organization binge, which can be accomplished as future outcomes in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. An uplifting cost expectation conjecture for the later long periods of 2023 and 2025 demonstrates that the value change of SUSHI-USD is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.90 in the year 2024. Sushiswap value forecast 2025. Sushiswap specialized investigation and Sushiswap gauge likewise show markets will amaze its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.80 by 2025. Sushiswap value expectation 2026. While the critical improvements have affected the Sushiswap cost, pushing them in a positive course, the digital currency market is by all accounts holding significantly more commitment in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the flourishing of Sushiswap digital currency is tremendous constancy on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply subject to advertised development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn out in the year 2026. Consequently, it is a right venture counsel. As per the specialist's own exploration, the Sushi yield arrived at 15% in 1 year. The need to get Sushi tokens to take part in the pool likewise checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021, standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. At the hour of composing the Sushiswap cost expectation, the circling supply waits around 127,244,443 Sushi, and the 24 hours cost change is practically 6.84%. Sushiswap, opening the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer is done full equity to. The whole foundation of Sushi spins around liquidity, and even more so when clients are not utilizing Sushi. They can in any case profit from the halfway procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This element of Sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that makes certain to crown it as a gem in the realm of computerized monetary forms. Check here are other crypto cost forecasts. Is Sushiswap a wise venture, in light of Sushiswap cost forecasts? And in actuality, yes. As per essentials of dependability and hearty openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital money world. On a negative scale, this computerized resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost but rather will without a doubt stand firm feet on the ground, financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Remarkable or touchy development according to the momentary Sushiswap cost forecasts. Sushi coin cost might be an embellishment, particularly in light of the fact that because of pandemic the majority of the digital currencies have endured a terrible shock. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap as well. In any case, the token has tremendous potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is subsiding, it would constantly be incredible information for Sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the most exorbitant cost. What are the Sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be appreciated with Sushi. These prizes make Sushi a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and dealers all over the planet get urged to put resources into the splendid possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous coalitions, Sushiswap likewise extends its base with limited time measures. Client is ruler in Sushiswap's reality, and the marking programs give to clients prizes and money bonuses through rivalries as well. I can't move my Sushi to trade in time. What to do? With Sushiswap you are guaranteed of trade supporting the movement of Sushi token. Consequently, no problem. You wouldn't experience any misfortunes. Hang tight for occasional relocations. Where to purchase Sushiswap or sell and store Sushi.